Hi, I'm JJ Virgin, celebrity nutrition and fitness expert of jjvirgin.com, and I'm here today to talk to you about using basic crunches for losing weight from the stomach. Now, I've got to clear something up. There is no such thing as spot reducing, and you can crunch and crunch and crunch, and it's not going to necessarily burn fat off your stomach. But I do have good news. When you do abdominal exercises, you in effect build your metabolic spanx. What do I mean? I mean, you're going to hold everything in tighter. So it will help you look like you lost some weight. And when you have more muscle, it does help you burn more fat overall. So doing crunches is a great thing. So let's talk about how to do them correctly. Actually, let me show you how to do them correctly. I'm going to show you 4 variations on a crunch. The first one is the most basic, just a regular forward crunch. The important thing to see here is that I'm doing as full a range of motion as possible, and that I've got effectively what I say, a grapefruit in between my chin and my chest, so I'm not throwing my heads, I'm keeping my elbows open, and I have my head resting back to my hands. Another crunch you can do is a diagonal crunch. And when you do this, you also pull in your obliques. You can either do them one side at a time or alternating like I'm doing right here. The important thing is, again, I'm not throwing my head, I'm not throwing my shoulders. If you need to support your neck a little bit more, try putting your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Now I'm going to show you a reverse crunch. And this will help to engage your deep abs. And with this one, you're going to lift your tailbone off the ground. And again, important here is that you aren't swinging. With all of these abdominal exercises, you're going to exhale on the exertion. That actually helps you pull everything in tighter. The final exercise, I'm going to put it all together, and I'm going to put the front crunch and the reverse crunch together and do a full crunch where I'm lifting up my tailbone and my shoulder blades. Again, exhale on the exertion. Don't throw your shoulders or your head. Keep them back and open. You should be doing crunches 3 days a week. Give yourself a rest day in between. Do at least 2 to 3 sets of each exercise, 10 to 15 repetitions, and take a minute break in between. And those are basic crunches for losing weight off the stomach. I'm JJ Virgin.